For lovers of comedy, there's no shortage of clubs in Los Angeles. Many of the popular spots are located on the Sunset Strip, with more laid-back venues located in and around the city. The Laugh Factory is one of the more notable clubs that hosts celebrity comedians. Known for its iconic neon sign on the Sunset Strip, this high-profile haunt is rated the #1 comedy club in the country by USA Today. Similarly, the Comedy Store, founded by comedian Sammy Shore, Elvis Presley's opening act, his wife Mitzi, and comedy writer Rudy DeLuca in 1972, is a favorite tourist club. Inside, the original room stage is considered one of the best rooms in the country, hosting former performers like David Letterman, Leno, and Jim Carrey. For a low-key option, visit the Groundlings, an improv school and theater in Melrose Avenue that relies heavily on audience participation. Things to consider: you'll need to spring for VIP tickets to be guaranteed a seat at the Laugh Factory. And, the Comedy Store has a 2-drink minimum, so if rowdy crowds aren't your thing, go elsewhere.